Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. BJP leader JP Nadda offers condolences to Sharda Sinha's family. BJP National President JP Nadda visited the Patna residence of late folk singer Sharda Sinha on Thursday to express his condolences to her grieving family. Accompanied by Bihar Deputy Chief Ministers Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha, Nadda paid his respects, offering flowers at her portrait. Sharda Sinha, a beloved cultural icon, passed away in Delhi earlier this week. Nadda also met with Chirag Paswan and Sanjay Mayukh in Bihar, extending Chhath festival greetings and visiting Chhath Ghats with Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. This gesture showcased his support for Bihar's cultural heritage. Muslim women in Bihar join in Chhath Puja celebrations. Chhath Puja, known for its devotion and fasting, witnessed participation from various communities including Muslim women in Bihar Sitamarhi. 60-year-old Jamui Khatun has practiced the rituals for 25 years after attributing her husband's recovery to deity's blessings. She continues to observe the festival each year, with devotees observing a strict 36-hour fast. Authorities ensured security at the ghats. The annual festival demonstrates Bihar's inclusivity and communal harmony, with Chhath Puja uniting diverse faiths. Chirag Paswan confident of India-US relations under Trump. Union Minister Chirag Paswan expressed optimism about India-US ties under President Donald Trump, citing a strong friendship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Paswan believes this relationship will enhance bilateral cooperation. Criticizing Canada's alleged support for pro-Khalistan groups, Paswan commented on recent violence targeting Hindu temples in Canada. He also showed confidence in the NDA's performance in upcoming state elections in Jharkhand and Maharashtra. His remarks underscore the NDA's vision for India's global partnerships and security. JP Nadda's Chhath greetings draw mixed reactions in Bihar. During his Chhath Puja visit in Patna, BJP President JP Nadda extended festival greetings to Biharis, joining Chief Minister Nitish Kumar to tour Chhath Ghats along the Gangas. However, RJD leader Tejaswi Yadav criticized Nadda, suggesting a focus on Bihar's special status. With elections approaching, Nadda's engagement in cultural festivals highlighted the BJP's connection with Bihar's tradition, but also faced political critics from the opposition. The visit reflects a strategic outreach to Bihar's people through its cherished tradition. Traffic restrictions in Ranchi for smooth Chhath celebrations. To ensure smooth Chhath Puja celebrations, Ranchi has imposed a 2-day ban on heavy vehicles, allowing devotees easy access to Chhath Ghats. 6 medical teams were also stationed near 33 ponds where rituals occur. Smaller commercial vehicles were restricted in certain areas during peak hours. This year's Chhath Puja, starting November 5, will end with prayers to the rising sun on November 8. Authorities urged public cooperation for safe celebrations. The measures reflect Ranchi's dedication to facilitating hassle-free access for devotees.